Welcome back to frontloadbearings.com, and this is video number 12, installing the seal. So, something I want to point out to you here real quick is the seals that I provide are completely flush. Remember when we looked at the old one, it had ridges on it and so forth that collected water? Mine are completely flush, plus they are a double lip seal, and they are sprung on the back. Also, there's a spring, metal spring that runs all the way around there. So, obviously this is going to go straight in this space right here. What we're going to do here is, first of all, we're going to prep the seal. And on this inner lip, I just found it works well. If you buy yourself some white lithium grease, you can get it at Harbor Freight or Home Depot, Ace Hardware, any automotive store like AutoZone, just white lithium grease. And all you want to do between the two lips here is just put some in there. You don't have to go crazy with it. You don't need tons and tons and tons of it. Also, if you go too much, I mean, if you go really silly with it, you're going to have the grease coming back out of your clothes. So obviously you don't want that going on. There we go, and just put it in there. There we go, put a little bit more in. There's like a little trough in there, so we're going to kind of fill that trough up with the grease. Alright, and then when we're all done, we'll wipe this off so we're not getting grease on your clothes when you go to do your wash. Alright, so now all we're going to do is line this up. Now you don't need anything to glue this in. It's a press fit, just like the bearings were, so you don't need anything there. Other than white lithium grease, you can also use silicone lubricant as well on the inside if you want to. I've been using the white lithium grease for ages and it's served its purpose, so I just keep using that. Alright, all we're going to do now, obviously this seal, we're just going to tap this in real gently. We're not having to put a lot of pressure on it like we did with the bearings. And we just want to get it down into place, nice and gently. You can even actually move the bearing over to the side a little bit. Give it a little bit up on the side. I'm just going to knock this all the way in until we don't feel any more motion. Again, I'm doing this at a bit of a weird angle, so I'm not getting my head in the way. You're probably going to do a little bit of a better job than I am here. Yeah, there it goes, going in nicely. Lovely. Run it around. Alright, that's home. So basically what we've got going on there is the seal is all the way in. Again, you don't need any glues or silicone or anything. That's actually just going to get in the way or risk getting in the bearings. Any pressure you apply, once you start putting some force behind it, needs to be on this outer edge. And then you have your grease in here. I'm just going to wipe that off real quick. There we go. And also, once you get this all assembled and you get the tank back into the washing machine, run a load through with some soap in it without any clothes in it first, so there are any grease bits anywhere, you get a chance to wash those out before you go put some nice white blouses in there or something. Good, so that's the end of this video. Bearings and seal are all in. We're ready to reassemble the basket and the tank back together, and we shall do that next. Thanks for watching.